Hello everyone and welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. Today we are making another fast meal because we are extremely busy working on the house. And so I just want to have something that's good, nutritious for us. The other day what I usually try to do is, I've been telling you guys every Friday I'm trying to prepare meals for the weekend and a little bit into the week depending on what time I kind of put things on and prep things. So we've already prepped some vegetables. What I'll do sometimes is I'll pre-bake baked potatoes, and because they do take an hour to bake, if I don't have an hour that day, I'll maybe prepare them the day before whenever I do have time to cook those things. And then I'll prepare vegetables. That way the day of, like if I'm doing a crock pot meal like today, I can just put the meat on and then let it cook all day, and then we have our protein and then our veggies on the side. All we have to do is heat up our veggies. So today we're going to be making pulled beef rib sandwiches. So it's really easy. I just let our beef ribs thaw out in a bowl in our refrigerator the night before, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to prepare them. It's really simple. So here we Okay, so I have 2 packs of our beef ribs in our crock pot. I just have some Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce in there. I'm going to be adding some more hot sauce in a little, I'm sorry, not hot sauce, guys, barbecue sauce. I'm going to be adding some more barbecue sauce in a little later. Right now we're going to get it seasoned up. So I'm going to be seasoning this with some steak seasoning. Salt and pepper. And I have minced onion, parsley, onion powder, and garlic powder. Just be careful with the salt because anytime you use a mixed seasoning like a steak seasoning, it does usually have salt in it. So just be careful of that so it's not too salty. So our onion. So after we season it here, I'm just gonna give it a little bit more barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna pop our lid on, and I have it on high now for 6 hours. If you have the time to do low for 8 hours, I would recommend that. However, we're on a little bit of a time crunch today, so I'm trying to get this done in 6 hours. If I can't get them fully cooked, and what I mean by fully cooked is like falling off the bone within the 6 hours, what I'm gonna do is I can just take, you know, the insert. Ooh. What I can do is I can just take the insert out of here and then pop it into my oven and put it on like 350 to 400 degrees and let it cook the rest of the way. That's a little trick. I've used that before whenever I need the crock pot meal to go a little bit faster. So I'm just gonna let this cook off, guys. I've got my lid here and I will be checking it periodically throughout the day. So I will see you guys back here whenever we're getting ready to serve this up. And we're just gonna serve this with some Hawaiian rolls. And like I said, those vegetables that I've already made prior to today. Alrighty guys, so we are back here. It has been about 5.5 hours later out of our 6 hours. And you can see that our meat is starting to pull apart. It's just so soft and really tender right now. Now, the only thing with these beef ribs is there's a lot of fat on here. So what I need to do next is separate the beef from the fat and the bones. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'm going to shred up the beef, and then we're just going to mix it in with our barbecue sauce, and then basically we are ready then for our sandwiches. Alrighty friends, here's our finished product. Our beef barbecue ribs in the crock pot. I end up taking out a lot of fat and bones, and I'm left here with probably about 2 cups of meat. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna serve it on some Hawaiian sweet rolls. And then I have a couple of sides. And then I have a couple of sides for us, some potato salad and some veggies. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.